Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream at home. Begin with cold, heavy cream, a chilled bowl, and a clean whisk or electric mixer. Pour cream slowly and start on low speed. Watch for soft peaks, then add sugar and vanilla to taste. Increase speed to reach firm peaks, but stop before the cream turns grainy. Store in a sealed container in the fridge and use within a few days. I'll walk you through the simple ingredients and tools you need to make perfect whipped cream quickly. You will want heavy cream, granulated or powdered sugar, and vanilla extract, plus a mixing bowl and whisk or mixer. For stability, consider adding a teaspoon of cream cheese or 1 teaspoon cornstarch if you need longer hold. Keep everything cold and work steadily to avoid overwhipping while achieving smooth, billowy peaks. Here are practical techniques to get consistent, airy whipped cream every time. Begin on low speed to incorporate air gradually, then raise to medium-high until soft peaks form. Add sweeteners and flavorings at the soft peak stage, then finish to firm peaks if needed. If you go too far and it looks grainy, gently fold in a tablespoon of cold cream to rescue the texture. Serve immediately for best volume and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.